Shalom, Sister Kate here, Sister Kate, Shofar Mountain. Welcome back to the channel. So what you see behind me is the packings of our trip that's coming up very, very soon. We went and got things we needed. We have a lot of this stuff already in our supplies, but we didn't want to use our stuff. We wanted to get stuff specific to the trip. And so food stuff, toiletry stuff, there's a bin right back there that is for tech stuff, gloves, carabiners, duct tape, things like that. This is other food items, cutting board. We got umbrellas because it's supposed to rain there, and we want bright colors. So hopefully we don't lose any of that stuff. And then right here, I'm labeling this with the tech and hardware, so we know things like tarps and the tape and the gloves and stuff, safety glasses and so on, will be in those. And the way this is laid out, very similar to how my husband used to get ready for deployments in the military. And it works. You can visually see what you're packing. And then I do have a packing list. It's very long. Let's see. There it is right there. It goes onto the back. And then I have other little side lists for things I still need to pick up and for things that we do need to get out of our storage and so on. So the adventure this is the prep for the adventure. And I will do some video shooting while I'm there. Look at that. You can't even see there we go. Some video shooting while I'm there so you guys will be able to see some of what we're doing. All right. Bless y'all. Shalom.